Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily Ethereum update, in which I quickly wanted to discuss, well, basically the bullish momentum that we have seen today, but also what I expect for the upcoming days, basically in the days leading up to Wednesday, which, if you don't know already, I think most of you know if you follow my videos, it's going to be a very big day, because then we'll have the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. Very important what it will be, but also what they'll say with it. This is just basically the best gauge we can get on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy for the next year, which is very important. I mean, we've already seen how strong crypto was because of improving economic circumstances. I at least think that was a major factor behind this. So with that, I mean decreasing inflation rates. And just overall the chances of a recession slowly dropping. I mean, there's still a good chance, but still some positive news. So this and what they'll say there about the monetary policy is either going to be our way up to 1800, or it's going to be our crash. I mean, if they're going to say that, all right, the inflation rates are dropping, but we need to keep the interest rates high, at least for half a year, then I think the market would consider that bearish, and I think we could drop down all the way to 1350. I wouldn't be shocked if that happened, to be honest. But yeah, that's until that time, and we cannot really predict what they're going to say, of course. So ahead of time, what I can predict, or at least what I've tried to say, is that usually if a bullish outcome is expected, the market is bullish ahead of that event. So right now, because of the dropping inflation rates, we're expecting good news from the Federal Reserve. So usually you get a relatively bullish market and at least some bullish momentum as well. So that's also what I expect for Ethereum. And yeah, earlier today, or actually yesterday, in the night, we found support at around 1560, strong support level, and right now I do think we'll be able to break above 1600. We kind of already did, but this resistance level really ranges from 1610 to 1600, so it's a little bit more difficult than that, and we have not really broken above 1610. The thing though is that if you compare Ethereum with Bitcoin right now, in the short term, Ethereum is really less strong, which I've been thinking about a lot about what or why that is. Maybe it's the Shanghai upgrades coming to Ethereum. Maybe it is that relatively we're already higher than Bitcoin, could also be. But even if you, for example, compare the levels pre-FTX crash to now, Bitcoin is higher than Ethereum, and then obviously Ethereum had a quite a big rally with the merge coming up and stuff. That was kind of here. This wasn't really because of the merge. Yeah, this second rally was because of the merge. So that's true that Ethereum was already stronger. Like, we never hit the bottoms that Bitcoin did, but right now we're not that strong. I still expect us to be able in the upcoming few days really break above 1610. But my price target for now is still 1680. If we actually can reach that like tomorrow, somewhere Monday, then sure, I'll be able to think about going up to 1760, but that's really something for the future. And I also see it as a realistic outcome that we'll just reach 1680, and then on Wednesday, usually the markets are pretty quiet. We'll just consolidate and we'll wait for the outcome. But yeah, we'll have to see. I'll keep you updated on that, of course. But for now, that's my take and my video on Ethereum for the beginning of next week. So if you have any questions, let me know. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and bye.